going on, superstars? This is Wesley, billion dollar Virgin with another Make Money Online video where I'm going to show you basically how to hit the like button and you get paid. And it's that simple. And I know what you're thinking. There's no way you can do this. And I'm going to show you proof. This is a Make Money Online tutorial where I'm going to show you step by step a site that basically pays you to click the like button. And yes, it does exist. Listen to everything that you hear. It is many steps in this process here. If you need to pause. If you need to like. If you need to show me some love below and say, Wesley, let's go, comment below. And yes, to answer your question, it is worldwide. You can do this all over the world. So if you're like smiling right now, go ahead and smash the like for me. Because why? I'm always looking for videos and ways to make money online to help you make money irregardless of where you are on the planet here. Hey, if you don't mind, can you give me a sub? We're at 299,000. Can I get the 300,000? Go ahead and sub to the channel, because what I do is I believe that service leads to greatness. So I want to give you many online strategies so you can tell your job and kick it to the curb forever. Okay. First up is this. You need a Facebook account. Okay. This is my beautiful daughter's account here. All you need is a Facebook account. It is free to join Facebook.com. Get one. Okay. Step number 2. You need to go to a site by the name of like4like.com. Like4like.org.com. You see that? Like4like.org. And then when you go here, basically, you click where it says Facebook Likes. This is a social media exchange website, which basically, if you like people pages, they'll like you back as well. But listen, this is all you're going to do. You're going to hit the like button like this. Okay. It's going to open up a page, and then all you need to do is click the like button here, close it, and you get credit. As you can see, I have over 59 credits. And understand, the more that you like, the more credits that you get, and the more money that you make. Does that make sense? So you just keep doing it. Like, and you get more credits and the more money that you will make. Now, the next step is you got to go to a site by the name of CPAlead.com. CPAlead.com. Okay, so CPA stands for cost per action. And it's really simple. So basically, all these people here, and you see this money right here that you're going to make. Well, these people here, like this person here, going to pay you $5 per action, right? Not to buy. You don't have to sell anything. It's just per action, right? So people on the internet will actually pay you money if a person does an action. Does that make sense? So you have many offers that you can choose from. But right now, what we're going to focus on just for this video here is the iPhone Pro 11 here, okay? Now listen, you can choose whatever offer you want. It's up to you. You can choose anything that you want. Read about the offer. You can just do any one you want, and understand they're going to pay you this money. For instance, they're going to pay me 48 cents every time someone just clicks and leave an action. That's it. As long as they take action, they don't have to buy. They don't have to invest any money. Just an action, and you will get paid. So if you had 1,000 people today to do it, that's $480. Quick money, right? So you click on here and listen. You have to make sure you listen and don't skip through the video, because it's a process, okay? Step by step. So I don't want you to miss out, because if you move too fast, you're going to miss very necessary instructions to make sure that this works and you start making money online today, okay? So here, all I'm going to do is, this is the affiliate link. This is the preview link. And remember, all they have to do is leave an action. That's it. And you're going to see what I mean. They're going to hit preview. They're going to go to the site, whatever, and you're going to get paid. But listen all the way through to the very end, okay? We want to copy that so we have that a part of our arsenal here, okay? So copy. And remember, everybody can do this. Look, South Africa, Nigeria, it doesn't matter, any country. Then what you want to do is go to bio.fm.com, okay? Right? Bio.fm, okay? Bio.fm. That's going to bring you to a site like this, okay? Now, as you can see, I've already set it up. So what you're going to do is you're going to add what is called a block. So let me do this from scratch here. All right. So this is what you'll see. You're going to sign up. It takes about 2 minutes to sign up for, right? Maybe 1 minute, right? If you're smart enough. Click edit blocks. Okay. And you're going to tap to add content here. You're going to click on link in websites. Next. And you're just going to add giveaway. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the one I've already created just to show you real quickly here. So as you can see here, I've already added mine. So you type in like giveaway. And remember, it always depends on what you're actually going to be giving away, right? Or what you're actually going to put out there. That makes sense? I chose the iPhone 11. You don't have to choose that. You can choose whatever offer you want from cpalead.com, okay? So look, so I'm going to type in giveaway. I'm giving away the iPhone 11 Pro giveaway here. I type that in here, right? And I put in the affiliate link. I put the link here. That's what gets me paid here, right? It's right here. Let me show you again. So I want to make sure that you guys don't miss a beat. And remember, if I'm moving too fast, just leave a comment in the section below. Say, Wesley, can you slow down a bit? And I will slow down for you. Okay? Look. See? This is the link. Copy. Okay. Go back here. Paste. Right? Now, I've already added it, so you're going to click add block, and then you're going to click publish, okay? Then, boom. See? It's right there. Then if you want to see how it looks, then it just open up a new window, incognito or a private window. And this is what people see. See this? Boom, bada bam, bada bing, right? So when they see that, click on that, right? And then they go to the offer. That makes sense? So that's how easy that is to set up. Now, keep with me now, okay? Did I lose you? Let's go. Smash the like button if you're enjoying the video so far, if you don't mind. Okay? And hey, I love you. I really do. Now listen. So this is how you bring in the money, the big money here, right? So we got a link set up. So what you want to do is understand likeforlike.org is a social media exchange, which is not only you can leave likes, but these credits, you want to use those credits to do what? To basically promote the content here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your Facebook page, right? And you go here, okay? iPhone giveaway. Like this. Makes sense? iPhone giveaway. iPhone 11 Pro giveaway. Go here to get it. Okay? And then you just leave your link. See? Bio.fm. The thing is, Facebook doesn't allow affiliate links. So that's why we had to use the bio.fm website. Why? Because we want to trick Facebook just a little bit, right? So basically, you'll be able to post that. You can either post it publicly, only to you, to your friends. It's up to you. But I'm going to show you. You got to pay attention because I'm going to show you how you're going to get many people just to start sharing this thing like crazy, right? It's really cool. Right? So I'm going to post the website here. Okay? So it's there. So anytime someone's clicking it, and you can also leave your link here as well. So I'm going to edit this post. Okay? And I'm going to copy it there. And I can delete that. See that? Save. Right? So you want to make sure that you share it on your Facebook page. That's important. It has to be on the Facebook page, just like so. Now, let me show you how the money starts to roll in, right? Pay close attention here. Now, what you want to do is you need to copy this post link. You go to just now, right click, right? Copy link. Then you want to go back to what? Likeforlike.org. Click on add and manage pages here. And you want to click on Facebook shares. Why? Because you want people to share this. That's how you make like $400 or $1,000 in a day, right? Because this thing is an autopilot machine as long as you follow exactly how I gave you the instructions to do this right now, okay? Facebook URL, there, here, description, iPhone giveaway. And see, look at that. Credits you want to use. You can say, well, I'm going to use 21 credits. You know what? I'm going to use 21. Look, I got 59 credits right there, right? So 21 credits here. So that means that people randomly are going to be liking actually sharing my post. Add URL. Done. It's now been added to the share section, which means this. Every time somebody, you have millions of people that go to the site every single month, right? When they click on share and share and share and share, what's going to happen? Your link here is going to be shared all over the internet. That means that you're laying down, relaxing, eating Skittles, and getting paid every single time someone signs up. But see, the great thing is this. When they share it on their timeline. So depending on how many friends they have, everybody's going to see it. Then they're going to share it. Then they're going to share it. That's called autopilot money online. How many of you right now know you can do this? That was so simple, right? I know what you're thinking. Wesley, I love you. This is simple. Listen, it took me 5 minutes to do this. If you're confused, just watch the video again. Now, how many of you would prefer Wesley Virgin to do it for you? Okay. How many of you would prefer me and my developer to do it for you? Guess what? For 10 people, this is what I'm going to do because I love you so much and I want you to start making money right now, right? I want you to leave your 9-to-5 job. I want you to drop out of school because you're wasting time and wasting money. And I'm going to show you how easy it is because I'm going to do it for you. Now, this is what I'm going to do for you, okay? Let me make this very, very clear. Disclaimer, this will not make you millions of dollars. This makes some extra income. But let me show you what I'm going to do for you, okay? All you need to do is give me access to your Facebook page, or at least have a Facebook page, right? What I'm going to do is you're going to set up here, just create an account at likeforlike.org, okay? You need an account. Create one, okay? Then after you do that, you need to create an account on cpalead.com as well. Then after that, you sit back, let me do all the work. What I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a few offers for you. Make sense? All right? I'll start liking a few for you as well, or you can do it as well, or I'll do it for you, right? Just so you can get some credits here. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to do all the technical work, okay? I'm not here to make you money. I'm here to show you how to fish. Does that make sense? I'm pretty sure you want me to show you how to fish, not fish for you. So I'm going to do all this. I'm going to add the pages for you as well. I'm going to add it under the share. So then once it's set up, and I'll do 1 or 2 offers for you for basically almost nothing. Let me show you here. Usually my time is about 1,000 to 10,000 per hour. But for the first 10 people right now that's listening to my voice on YouTube, 10 people, I'm doing for $99, okay? $99, first 10 people this month. Every single month, I do 10 people. You email me right here. Email at doitforme@contactwest.com. Subject is like me, do it for me. That must be in the subject line. As long as you're one of the 10 people, well, this is what I'm going to do for you. You create your account at likeforlike.org. Give it to me, okay? All you need to do is have a Facebook account. Give it to me, okay? I'm going to do your post, and I'm also going to go to CPA Lead and create your first offer for you, okay? Depending on how quick you email me right now, I may do 2 offers for you, right? So you can make double the money. That makes sense? So I'm going to choose a few offers for you. I'm going to set them up over here. I'm going to get you some credits right here as well. And I'm going to start the process. Then all you have to do is continue what I've already done. Does that make sense? All you have to do is keep adding more credits to your likeforlike.org account. That's for only people that need some extra help. $99. That's it. If you want to invest that to potentially make $100 to $400 every single day, as many people that can do. Listen, it is easy to do. You should be able to do this for yourself. But if you want this now, if you want me to do the heavy lifting for you, just to get you started quickly, so this year can be your year, so you can actually see money pop up into your account, just email me right here at doitforme@contactwest.com. Subject line must be like for me, do it for me. You must have at least $99, not $1,000. It's a discount. Anybody after 10 will pay $1,000, like 11, 12. If you're like too late because you're procrastinating or you say I don't have the money, then if you ever come back to here, it's going to be $1,000. It's up to you. But listen, you can do this right now. Believe in yourself. Believe that you can do it. Follow the steps. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. If I gave you value, go ahead and smash the like button. Hey, can I get a sub? Sub. Why? Because I'm going to continue to teach you how to make money online. And under this video, I will leave a link if you want me to teach you how to create a product online to make your first $10,000 a month. I have grandmas doing this. My son did this. He's 14 years old. So anybody can do it. Much love. Let's go.